Welcome to the sweet world of baking, where the magic of tradition meets the precision of modern technology. Every single day, thousands of cakes come to life here, from simple ingredients to edible works of art, crafted to celebrate birthdays, weddings, and life's sweetest moments. It all begins with a careful selection of ingredients: flour, eggs, sugar, butter, milk. But here, quantities are counted in tons, and every gram is measured with scientific precision. Gigantic silos, automated pipes, and digital scales work in harmony, blending ingredients into a smooth, velvety batter, the foundation of every perfect cake. Sensors check the texture constantly. Too thick, it's corrected. Too thin, it's balanced. Only when the mix is flawless does the magic move forward. Cracking an egg seems simple until you see it done by robotic arms, hundreds per minute. Each egg is scanned for quality, the shells removed with astonishing accuracy. Not a single drop is wasted. Eggs are the soul of the cake. They bind, they enrich, they give every bite its light, fluffy texture. The batter flows into perfectly measured molds, every portion identical. No bubbles, no excess. A few precise taps release tiny air pockets, a small but vital step toward perfection. Then, the magic of baking begins. Massive smart ovens maintain perfect heat and airflow. Too hot and the cake dries out. Too cool and it won't rise. Here, every degree matters. Minutes later, golden sponge cakes emerge, soft, fragrant, and ready for their next transformation. Forget knives. These cakes are sliced with stainless steel food cutting wire. Perfect, even layers every time. Whether for a simple dessert or a grand wedding cake, each layer is checked for symmetry and texture. Technology meets craftsmanship, and perfection is the standard. Now comes the delicious part. Robotic arms spread creamy fillings, pour glossy chocolate ganache, and layer strawberry jam between golden sponge. Flavors bloom: rich chocolate, refreshing matcha, zesty lemon, and dreamy blueberry. Each one a little story of sweetness. Then smooth frosting covers every cake in a flawless coat. Shiny, elegant, irresistible. Machines swirl, pipe, and decorate with artistic precision. Every movement timed to perfection. For the special creations, birthdays, weddings, celebrations, the decorators take over. Skilled hands write names, pipe flowers, sculpt ribbons of chocolate. Machines bring precision, but it's the human touch that brings emotion. Every cake becomes a unique expression of care and joy. The batter flows into perfectly measured molds, every portion identical. No bubbles, no excess. A few precise taps release tiny air pockets, a small but vital step toward perfection. Then, the magic of baking begins. Massive smart ovens maintain perfect heat and airflow. Too hot and the cake dries out. Too cool and it won't rise. Here, every degree matters. Minutes later, golden sponge cakes emerge. Soft, fragrant, and ready for their next transformation. Behind every cake stands a team. Bakers, engineers, decorators, dreamers. They share one mission, to turn simple ingredients into moments of happiness. So the next time you cut into a cake, remember its journey, from flour and eggs to frosting and celebration. Because a cake is never just dessert. It's joy, crafted with science, passion, and a little touch of magic.